Hi guys, this is Ajit from Catalyst Class. So now we are going to discuss the popular technique to remember the T ratios. Okay, so this will help you to remember easily, and you can draw this diagram anytime. Okay, and this table will help you whenever you have to use this trigonometric ratio. You just plot this table and okay, and just put the value. Okay, and you can write the value of the sine theta, cos theta, tan, cos, sec, cosec, and cot. Okay, easily. So now here I have taken the triangle. Okay, theta. So triangle DEF. Okay, the D is the reference, and D angle I have denoted with the theta. Okay, theta, and P is the perpendicular, and B is the base, and DF is the hypotenuse. So why B is the base? Because the angle theta reference this angle, with reference to this theta we are going to take the trigonometric ratio. So adjacent to this theta angle, this is the line. Okay, so this will be the base. Opposite to the theta, what is the side opposite to the theta? This is the EF is the side. Okay, EF is the side, so it will become the perpendicular that I mentioned with the P. Okay, now opposite to the 90 degree. Okay, this is the hypotenuse, so I have represented with H. Now we know that the trigonometric ratio, okay, we deal with the right angle triangle. So here angle E is FED, angle E is 90 degree. Okay, so we are going to talk about the trigonometric ratio with respect to the angle D, and D is nothing but the theta degree. So this is the table that I have created here to remember the sine, cos, and tan value easily. And we know that if you know that the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta value, easily we can find out the cot, sec, and cosec theta, right? So we will see it here in the table how to write. So here in the first row I have written here the sine theta, cos theta, tan. Okay, and the next row I have written here, okay, the Pandit Badri Prasad. So in Pandit I will take the first one P. Okay, Badri, Badri में हम लोग लेंगे B. Okay, first we are taking. Okay, and Prasad will take the P. Okay, now similar way, the third line I have written the Har Har Bhole. So the what is the first? Okay, first letter is the H, and here also H, here also B. Okay, so now we'll consider this the bracket we have mentioned. Okay, B B H P B. Okay, because this thing the Pandit Badri Prasad and Har Har Bhole, that to remember, that's why we have written this. So from the Pandit we took the P, from the Badri we took B, from the Prasad we took P, Har Har we took H, Har we took the H, and Bhole is B. Okay, so now if I have to write the will be sine theta will be the Pandit by Har Har. Okay, so that I can write like the Pandit by Har means P by H. Okay, P by H. Similarly, cos theta. Okay, or yeah, so cos theta will be the Badri by Har. Okay, so Badri is B by Har is H. Now we will see the tan theta. So tan theta is Prasad by Bole. So Prasad will take the P and Bole will take the B. So easily we are able to write here the trigonometric ratio with this table. So now we got it sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So we know that the reverse of sine theta, okay, is cosec. So what will be the cosec theta? It's the reverse of sine theta. So it will be the h by p, because sine theta is p by h. Okay. So cosec theta will be h by p. And similar way, the cos theta is the reverse of sec theta. So sec theta will be the reverse of cos theta. So cos theta, sec theta will be the, now cos theta is b by h. So sec theta will be h by b. Simple. Yeah. Now tan theta is P by B. So cot theta is reverse of tan theta. So it will be B by P. Okay. So that means sin theta is P by H is nothing but the P is here perpendicular. Okay. And H is hypotenuse. Yeah. Cos theta is B by S. B means base by hypotenuse. Okay. Tan theta is P by B. And P by B is nothing but the perpendicular by base. Okay. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. So on the basis of this, we have written is the cosec theta is the reverse of sin theta, and sec theta is reverse of cos theta. Okay, and cot theta is reverse of tan theta. Okay, so I hope this will help you guys to remember this table easily, and that will help you in all your exams. Okay, thank you very much.